To create a filter to filter email in the Gmail system, all you need to do is log into your Google Apps account in a browser. So here's the sysadmin email account, and click on the settings gear up at the top right. Choose settings. Up at the top you'll see filters, and what we want to do is we want to create a new filter. Okay, so in our case, what we're discussing right now is how to filter email from the separate Valor list. So I can select a from address like classifieds@valorlist.com. You see it pop up there. So I want to filter all the mail that comes from that address. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Filter with this search. Okay. Now there's several things I can do with it. First, I don't want it to go into my inbox. I don't want notifications about it. I just want it to skip the inbox altogether. I can click Mark as Read. If you notice down the side here, you can see in folders if things are unread. So if I don't want it to show up with a number of unread items, I can click Mark as Read. If I do want to see that there's items that are unread in there, I'll leave that blank. I'm going to apply a label to it. And if you're using Outlook or using folders, this is the same thing as giving it a folder. So I'm going to make a new label and call it Classifieds. Okay. If you want that to go underneath an existing label, you can go ahead and do that. So I can hit Create. There are other options here for other emails you might be using. For example, if you have some important email coming in, you might choose Never Send It to Spam, or Always Mark It as Important, or etc. You can tell the system, you know what, automatically delete it. I don't want to see it at all. So there's a lot of options that you can use to filter, and so I'm going to hit Create Filter. And so now, from now on, any mail that comes from classifieds@valorlist.com is going to skip the inbox and be placed into a label that's classifieds. And I can go ahead and, at my leisure, check those emails by clicking on the classifieds label. If you're using folders or if you're using Outlook, you'll have a folder labeled classifieds that those will be placed in, and they'll skip your inbox. If you have any questions, please contact the IT department.